Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little wash day video for you guys. I don't think I've done like just a wash day video in a while, and besides, my hair is quite dirty. I haven't washed my hair in like 3 weeks because I've been so busy, I've been so overwhelmed, I've been so tired. So today I just wanted to do like a little self-care wash day, just wash my hair, because washing your hair can be very relaxing. I was sent some products from Flora Curl a while ago, their new Soothe Me line. So I'm basically just going to use the opportunity to try out those products. The line is basically geared towards scalp health, so that is why I'm interested to try it, because I have seborrheic dermatitis and a lot of times my scalp can get inflamed. So I guess we'll see how that works out for me. So the first product that I'm going to be using is their Soothe Me Coconut Mint Curl Refresher Pre-Shampoo Oil. I think in one of my videos on like hair care routines for wash day, I talked about using pre-shampoo oils. Depending on what type of hair porosity you have, basically helps to soften your hair before you actually wash. It just makes the washing process very easy, and depending on how it's formulated as well, some of them can actually help to loosen up the buildup on your hair, so it's easier for it to get off your hair while you're washing. And in some cases, especially for people that have higher porosity hair, pre-shampoos basically help to strengthen and reinforce their hair, high porosity hair, so that when you're actually washing your hair doesn't soak up too much water, because high porosity hair can tend to soak up a lot of water. So the ingredients I'm seeing here are jojoba, lavender, rosemary, peppermint, eucalyptus. So it does have ingredients that soothe your scalp as well. Rosemary, tea tree oil is amazing for your scalp if you have scalp irritations. Actually, I'm seeing a lot of things that help to soothe your scalp. So I'm guessing all the products in the line are geared towards soothing your scalp, in addition to the extra work that they do. So this is what the oil looks like up close. It has this really beautiful mint color in the bottle. So I'm going to take a few drops of that and just go section by section and apply it to my hair. You want to start small, then add more if you need to. My hair is dry, so normally when I do like pre-shampoo oils, I normally apply the oil to dry hair. And you also want to make sure that you apply it to your scalp as well, because it's going to help to loosen up a lot of that dirt and that buildup that is on your scalp that might be causing more irritation. Okay, so one thing I noticed is I'm applying the oil. This does feel nice on the hair. It's very softening. It's very smoothing. And you can actually remove some shed hair as you're doing this, so that it reduces the amount of shed hair you have to remove while you're washing your hair in the shower. But this does feel nice though, especially at my ends, because you know your ends are usually like the roughest part of your hair. I don't want to get too carried away doing this and put too much oil, but this does feel really nice. I'm done applying the oil to my hair, and they said leave it on, put a plastic bag on and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what I'm about to do now. You should actually be able to leave pre-shampoo oils on your hair longer than 5 to 10 minutes. Everybody's hair is different. People's hair absorbs oil differently depending on what type of oil it is. So try 5 to 10 minutes. If it's enough for you, fine. If you have to leave it on for longer so it absorbs really well into your hair, that's okay too. So just play around with the time limit to get the time frame that works best for your hair. So I'm just going to leave this on, then we'll start the washing process. Okay, time to actually wash now with shampoo. I ended up leaving the pre-shampoo oil for about 1 to 2 hours. Now I'm just going to go straight into washing. So the shampoo that I'm going to be using is the Coconut Mint Scalp Refresh Shampoo. This also contains peppermint oil, tea tree oil, eucalyptus, and willow bark extract. Tea tree, eucalyptus, and peppermint oil are very common ingredients in a lot of the products in the Soothe Me line. And these are products that are traditionally known to help heal your scalp and soothe your scalp as well. Tea tree in particular, it's antibacterial, antifungal, so it helps to kill any organisms that could be causing scalp irritations. And yeah, it's used in a lot of shampoos, a lot of hair care products that are geared towards soothing and healing your scalp. As you can see, when I applied the shampoo to my hair, it started to lather immediately. Normally when I apply shampoo to my hair is very dirty. It takes me applying shampoo about a second or a third time before it to really start lathering, because there is a lot of dirt in my hair. But when I applied it this time, it lathered immediately. That was because the pre-shampoo oil that I used on my hair helped to loosen up a lot of the dirt, a lot of the build-up, so it was much easier for the shampoo to clean out my hair. So since I don't have to do 2 shampoo rounds because my hair is clean thoroughly on the first round, that's going to reduce the amount of time I have to spend in the shower, and it's going to reduce the amount of times I have to wash my hair, and also reduce the amount of tangling and breakage that I would get from washing my hair. And my hair felt really soft as well. My hair is low porosity, so it absorbed a good amount of moisture while I was in the shower, and it just felt really soft and nice and clean. So now I'm just rinsing everything out. My hair feels so hydrated, deeply hydrated. It feels very clean as well, and my scalp feels amazing. So after this, we're going to jump into deep conditioning. Next, I'm going to be using the Coconut Mint Curl Refresher Conditioner, also from the Soothe Me line. Now, the main ingredients in this are coconut oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and aloe vera. It also contains other ingredients like rosemary, vitamin E, lavender, eucalyptus, jojoba, grapeseed oil, bihydramonium chloride. So a lot of really nice conditioning ingredients, and it also has water as the first ingredient. So I applied this right there in the shower because I say this all the time, my hair is low porosity, and while I'm still in the shower, because of the steam, that helps to open up my hair cuticles, so it absorbs a lot of moisture and the conditioner better into my hair. So I'm just going section by section. My hair is very soft while I'm doing this. Apply a good amount and twist it up. So now I'm done applying all my conditioner. I'm just going to put my hair in a plastic bag. Feel free to detangle your hair if you like. I already detangled my hair because I removed a lot of the shed hair while I was doing my pre-shampoo oil process. I really detangled during my pre-shampoo oil process because I like to finger detangle. But feel free to finger detangle as you apply the conditioner, or use a wide tooth comb, whatever works for you. I'm also going to be using the Flora Curl dual purpose insulated shower cap. So basically it's going to help to incubate the heat from my head so that the deep conditioner absorbs better into my hair. It has 2 sides, so you can use it as a shower cap or as an insulated cap for deep conditioning. You can get it on the Flora Curl website. So after I'm done, this is actually the next morning. I left the conditioner in my hair overnight. I'm just going to rinse it out, and yeah, just basically rinsing out the conditioner from my hair. My hair felt super conditioned, extremely soft. My hair just felt amazing, especially considering the fact that I hadn't washed in 3 weeks. My hair just felt so refreshed, felt so brand new. My scalp felt healthy. It didn't feel itchy or anything like that. It just had a nice fresh feeling. Again, I also rinse out my hair in sections. Just helps to make everything easier, keeping everything in place and avoiding extra tangling. Okay, so I'm done rinsing out the deep conditioner for my hair. This was honestly one of the most relaxing hair washes I've had in a while. Everything just felt so nice. Oh god, I slept very well last night. So the last thing I'm going to be doing right now, the last thing in the line, the Scalp Refresher Mist. That is this. So I'm just basically going to spray this on my scalp. You can use it as often as you like, and for basically people that have like irritations on their scalp or itching or anything, you don't have to use it after you wash your hair. You can literally use it at any time if your hair is feeling itchy or irritated or anything like that. Like most of the other products, it has a very nice minty eucalyptus smell. So you shake this before you use it and you just apply it directly to your scalp. This stuff has a very, I don't even know how to explain it. It has this minty feeling when you spray it to your scalp, especially after you just finish washing your hair. It has this really cooling, really relaxing feeling. I honestly feel like if you have a headache and you put this on your hair, it's just going to ease the headache and make it feel better. That is how it feels on your head. It's something that you have to experience yourself. If it's a really hot day outside and you put this on your head, it has such a very nice, cooling, calming feeling. You know how mint kind of feels cooling in a way? That is how this feels on your scalp. So if you have an itchy scalp, this would definitely soothe it. Yeah, so I'm done applying that all over my scalp. I'm just going to twist my hair and just leave it like that before I moisturize and do all that other stuff. But this is my complete wash day with the Flora Curl Soothe Me line. This was so relaxing, definitely what I needed after my stressful couple of weeks. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I'm gonna put the links for where you can get all the products down below. You can check the Flora Curl website for the products, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.